So I found my problem on the R6. Bad starter. Took it apart, which is weird because a long while back I took off the starter and I jump started from the battery, you know, positive and negative onto the solenoid and touching the, you know, the ground surface, and it turned on. Left the bike alone, and I don't know, weird that it's not engaging, it's not turning on. I opened it up, and there's some broken pieces in there, and it didn't want to engage when I tested out on the battery. So there's my problem. Everything is pretty much new on this bike. All the relays, all wires that I've checked are either connected or sealed, and so I'm gonna go ahead and order a new one and wait for that to come in and try again.